Welcome to this BoldDesk tutorial. In this video, you will learn how to export knowledge base articles from the Agent Portal. This feature is especially useful when you need to share, archive, or analyze your support content outside BoldDesk. To get started, log in to your BoldDesk account. To export knowledge base articles, the Export Articles permission must be assigned to your role. Without it, you will not be able to use this feature. By default, only the account owner role has this permission enabled. Admins can also create custom roles and enable the permission as needed. Once your permission is confirmed, navigate to the Knowledge Base module. Here, you can choose which articles to export. You can select from these views to find the article. You also have the option to apply filters to narrow down your list. Next, click the Export button. You will be prompted to choose the fields you want to include and select the file format, either Excel or CSV. You can further customize the export by adding an email subject and CC recipients and setting your time zone. Once the export is processed, BoldDesk will send you an email with a download link. This link is accessible only to you and the CC'd recipients, and it remains valid for 2 days. If you try to open an expired link, you will see an error page. In that case, simply re-export the articles to generate a new link. That is how easy it is to export articles from BoldDesk's Agent Portal. This feature makes reporting, backups, and offline analysis simple and efficient. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.